Good morning, everybody. Today, I want to discuss about the latest scientific facts related to coronavirus. Before starting my discussion, I want to mention the most important quotation given by Mark Twain. Everybody talks about the weather, nobody does anything about it. It is very important to us and for our planet. We know 60% of all infectious diseases of human are zoonotic. They come to us via animal. Zoonosis reemerged or re-emerged recently are Ebola, Middle East, respiratory syndrome, sudden acute respiratory syndrome, the bird flu, Zika viruses, disease, Nipah virus, West Nile fever or virus, Rift Valley fever, and very recently, today, coronavirus. All these are related to human activities. The Ebola virus outbreak was the result of forest losses from deforestation and agricultural expansion, leading to closer contact between wildlife and human settlements. The emergence of bird flu or swine flu is related to intensive poultry farming. The Nipah virus emergence related to intensification of pig farming and fruit production of Malaysia. Now, I want to discuss the latest scientific facts related to coronavirus. The interaction of human or livestock. Livestock means domesticated animals with wildlife exposes them to the risk of spillover of potential pathogen. Livestock serve as epidemiological bridge between wildlife and human diseases. Next, the drivers of zoonotic diseases emergence are in the changes of environment, and it is due to human activities such as domestication of animals, deforestation, agricultural encroachment, urban sprawl, means a real estate explosion, climate change, and the most important and the subtle product of anthropogenic changes are biodiversity loss. Changes, pathogens, and pathogen do effect on new host, and it is very dangerous. For example, bat associated viruses are emerged due to loss of habitat from deforestation and agricultural expansion. We all know that bats play an important role in ecosystem by being night pollinators, by eating insects, the pest which is harmful for agriculture. The ecosystem integrity underlines the human health and development. Human induced environmental changes modify the wildlife structure, reduce biodiversity, and that is why the new environmental change favor new type of species, host, vector, or pathogens. Ecosystem integrity plays an important role to regulate diseases by allowing species diversity, so that it is not possible for one pathogen to spill over or amplify. As climate changes going on, the epidemic of or the outbreak of epidemic may be frequent. and it is very difficult to predict where and when the next outbreak of epidemic will emerge in our society. So, this is the high time to be cool and calculate our major problem. Climate change represents the biggest challenge to the future of humanity and the life support system that make our world habitable. We should fight against climate change as these ravages of climate change become more and more apparent every day. Very recently, on 22nd April, 50 years of Earth Day anniversary. Do you know the theme of Earth Day? The theme of Earth Day is the climate action. We must remember from this theme, a stitch in time saves 9. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.